Look at this, guys. Just look at this. This isn't a dream. This is real. Let me show you more clearly. This is the programming world. Alright, let me introduce you to Vibe Coder Thanos. Bro, how did you get into coding?
After deleting half the universe, I got bored. Tony Stark told me, just learn to code, bro. So I did. And
Yeah, here we are. Makes sense. This is the developer market. You can get all sorts of developers here. Front-end, back-end, full-stack, DevOps, AI engineers, you name it. Available in bulk at dirt cheap prices.
guys, forget his vlog, but don't forget to follow me on GitHub.